Where are my shorts? Oh, here they are. If you guys don't believe me, look at this. Wait, where are my shoes? Oh, right here. So I'm gonna go upstairs. Look at this is my shoe that I wore. Watch. First, this is where, as I told you. So first, I got this, and then I got this. Look at watch. Look how bad this is. Well, my shoe's not that beat up, but this is where my lower ankle is. And I took a bath with cold water, and actually I found out that you can't use ice. Like it stops if there's a burn, you can't use ice. Use cool water in the bathtub and take a shower or like a bath. Here, the worst one I got on my butt. Well, not on my butt, but watch. Look at that. Look at right there. And right here, it's all burned. These are one of my favorite pairs of shorts. Oops. These are one of my favorite pair of shorts and my favorite socks. Not my favorite shoes, but oh my gosh. I just my cousins are editing these videos right now. Say hi, YouTube.
Watching
Mr. Broski and Devin.
Playing Devin.
Camera guy.
You're no cameraman.
Yeah, I'm camera guy from Josh.
And shout out to me, boy, cuz Josh.
Me and Milan don't edit our videos at all. Really.
Yeah, I do.
Josh, am I your camera guy?
Okay. Probably you guys know these fellas.
Josh, am I your camera guy?
Mr. Josh. Yeah, the gambler dude. Maybe it's 4th of July too. I might have earlier.
I think it cribs.
Maybe we can see some fireworks. The lights are out. Oh, did you guys hear that? It was oh, can you guys see that? Watch, maybe like this. Can you guys see that? Oh my gosh. There's a window, and I'm not sure I think you guys saw the reflection, but if you guys heard that was a firework. I'm not lying, seriously, I'm not badly hurt, but I saved a 3-year-old's foot. I was covering her, and that's how he got hit. And she got a little band-aid on her toe, middle toe. And see, I was protecting her like this, and then that firework, boom! I was ah! And then a little spark thing went on her foot, gave her a little bubble thing. I'll show you. Maybe you've probably seen her, but she's probably laying in bed. Where's Allison, guys? Huh?
Did you go downstairs?
Yeah, she's not there. Nobody's there. And that's pretty much the whole video. Everybody, Junior Broski, Mr. Broski, Devin, guys, have a beautiful day, night. Happy 4th of July. And you're probably wondering why I'm not limping or hurting, why I'm not in pain, is because I already had this on, and then I took a bath with cool water, and then cool water. It wasn't warm, and then after they gave me wraps, and they gave me new things, and they gave me aloe vera. It's a plant that helps you, supposed to help you with a burn or a sunburn, and they put that, and that's why there's aloe vera right in this, and so they just covered up so it can help stay right here. You know, everybody just heard that, right?
Yeah. Okay. It's
Ha ha ha!
Inception.
Ah, ah, that hurts. I will get you, man. It's probably gonna come off like in like 2 weeks. Seriously. Laura said it was a month, but I doubt that. I think it's like 2 weeks, 2 weeks. Yeah, I think 2 weeks. I got a 2nd-degree burn. Burn! Good thing it wasn't a 3rd degree. Those are like bad. I looked at some videos and like images. So I don't like it. Okay. Look what we're watching.
And rope around my legs. And I will now escape before your very eyes. Wait, there's more.
Wait, what's it called, Josh?
Impractical Jokers.
Yeah, Impractical Jokers.
Move, I can't see.
Sorry. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the video. Everybody say bye.
Peace.
Peace, man. Josh. Peace. Peace. Peace out, guys. See ya tomorrow.